Moving ahead, I would like to invite Prasiddha Mahat to begin with his experience sharing related to Activity 3 Masters. Put your hands together for the first presenter from LRI School, Prasiddha Mahat.
Thank you, Dipti ma'am. Namaste and greetings to respected teachers and students of South City International School and LRI School. We welcome South City International School, Kolkata as our partner school for the ISA Project number 2, ABC, Approach for Better Life. We feel extremely privileged to be the part of Project ABC, under which we did total of 3 activities, and every activity has given us the opportunity to explore and develop various skills in us, starting from speaking, video making, and further editing it. Skill of writing and life skills like sewing and the startup plan for businesses as well. Not only that, we have now started giving more respect to our curriculum design as we discovered that how one subject's topic can be linked with the other and learning can become so interesting. We truly enjoy this integrated learning and hope that the students and teachers of South City International School too have enjoyed it. For today's enthralling session, I'm going to give a presentation on introduction of face masks. So let's begin. So a face mask is a covering that is worn over a person's face mostly to prevent from breathing bad air or from spreading germs or some infectious agents such as viruses. And there are various types of face masks that are available in the market, including basic cloth face masks. A cloth face mask is a face mask made up of common textiles, usually cotton. N95 respirator. It is an advanced face mask and a respiratory protective device designed to achieve a very close facial fit and a very efficient filtration of airborne particles. And the third type of face mask is a surgical one, a loose fitting disposable device that creates a physical barrier to splashes, droplets, and spits. And they are the most effective and easy to get in the stores. Some YouTube tutorials, the following links from the channel Mia DIY and Craft in the physical classes and a sample of it. Now for the next part of presentation, I'd like to invite my senior Sujal Burder.
Thank you, Prasiddha Mahat, for providing the general information related to face masks. And now I'd like to start with my part of presentation. Namaste everyone. My name is Sandesh Kafle. I am currently studying in grade 10 of LRI school. Today I'm going to give a short yet informative presentation related to significance of face masks. The several reasons why an individual should wear face masks. So let's begin. If everybody uses preventive measures for coronavirus like masks in public places, then the spread of the virus will be minimized and the pandemic will not be so dreadful. Wearing masks and face coverings will prevent wearer from transmitting deadly coronavirus to others, and it provides some protection to the wearer from the virus and prevents him or her from getting infected. Symptoms of coronavirus are not always noticeable. So many people who are infected from coronavirus are unaware that they are carrying the virus. Thus, wearing masks protect other people and removes them from the spot of danger. Finally, we should say no to the mentality that one doesn't need to wear masks because other individuals will make masks. Coronavirus is a serial pandemic and should not be taken lightly. Now, I would like to call Sriddhi Sigdel to tell us more about preparation of masks.
Thank you to my senior Sandesh Kafle for giving such a wonderful presentation on significance of masks and also giving me the lead. There was a time during lockdown where there was a shortage of masks, and as government had declared lockdown, we stayed at home. But seeing how my parents went out weekly to buy groceries even in such dangerous environment to feed my family, my respect for them grew even more. That action made me realize that I had to do something to pay for their kindness through our ABC project, and I was able to. Me and many of my friends made masks, and some submitted to school, whereas many gifted it to their friends and family. People usually have a perception that money brings happiness in life, but through the process of mask making and gifting it to our friends and family made us realize that anything given with love and care can bring happiness. It doesn't need to be anything expensive. Now, as we present here are aware that South City International School also did the activity of mass task and are aware about the materials required. But as it was a crucial part of activity, it was involved in our presentation. So please allow me to continue. We mainly focused on two types of marks in this part of presentation. They are reusable and disposable marks. We used two pieces of cotton cloth which were 20 centimeter in length and 17 centimeter in width. We also used marker pen or chalk, whichever were available with us, to mark the cloth. As per cutting the cloth in desired length, we used a sharp pair of scissors. For sewing the borders of the cloth and to attach the elastics to the marks, we use needle and thread available with us. During the process of making, this was the process of preparing reusable marks. As for disposable marks, we used two pieces of fiber bag, which were 20 centimeter and 17 centimeter in length and width respectively. We also used either marker pen or chalk to mark the fiber bag. Also, we used a sharp pair of scissors to cut it. As per sewing the borders of the bag and to attach elastics to it, we use needle and thread available with us, which now concludes my part of the presentation. Thank you for listening to me. Now I'd like to call Kusha Karno to give his part of presentation.
Thank you, Sriddhi. Hello everyone, it's me Kush Karna. I would like to share with you all about the steps involved in preparation of face mask. Our school believe in reduce, reuse and recycle concept. Hence, we prefer to make use of unused cloth piece of our home, ensuring that it is clean and breathable. For this, our first preference was cotton cloth. Although we also prepare disposable face mask for which we use fiber bag. After the selection of desired fabric, we cut the cloth piece in dimensions 20 centimeter breadth and 17 centimeter length. After cutting it, we sewed all the four corners and also marked for the plates, keeping a gap of 1.5 centimeter. After this, we sewed the edges of face mask with elastic on both sides. And that's how the masks were prepared. We prepared face mask in our home after getting instruction in our online class and also managed to reconduct the same activity in physical class to assure 100% participation of students. Few of the face masks we gifted to our loved ones and few we contributed to school for initializing a small business and learned various trades of business like planning, accounting, marketing and dealing with customers. I feel myself privileged to be the part of mass task activity and I believe students and teachers of South City International School too have enjoyed it. To take this learning a step ahead, we did a small business within the school and to further explain about this business and its plan, I would like to invite my friend Arjina Khatri. Over to you, Arjina.
Thank you, Kush. Following the instructions given by Kush, we prepared several face masks with the materials listed by Shriti. So this raised the necessity to start up a small company within LRI school. So a company was started within LRI school called VCare. I am Arjuna Khatri, the business planner of our company, and today I will be presenting you the business plan. With regards to the business summary of our company, we aim to create self-employment opportunities, earn profit for a good cause, and develop independent entrepreneurs. With regards to the descriptive outline of our business, we greatly value the health of our customers. So, during the difficult times of COVID-19, we aim to provide our customers with high-quality handmade products. The major product supplied by our company is face masks. Our strength lies in the capacity to supply consumers with products that are currently in limited amounts. However, every company has a weakness, and our company is no exception to it. Our weakness lies in the indisputable fact that we do not make use of technology and the production is uneven. However, this weakness of ours is also one of our unique traits. Because we produce each product with our hands, we get to pay special attention and care to each and every product. So we take pride in our craftsmanship. The channel of distribution begins from the production unit. We students produce the face masks in our home. Next, we bring them to school from where it is collected by our teachers and stored in the LRI resource room. Followed by the same whenever there is any special occasions like result distribution day, those products are neatly arranged in stalls on the school grounds where it is accessible to students and their parents. In this way, our products reach to our valued customers. As you'll see in the screen, VCare went through 5 major landmarks. Firstly, we were briefed by Dipti Adhikari Acharya ma'am about the collaboration with South City International School for ISA initiative. Next, we prepared face masks as per the instructions given. As required, we also filmed ourselves while making those products. Lastly, those products were sold, and we also ensured that we considered the amount of profit made. We also prepared a business framework out of it. Now, I would like to pass it on to Aishika to share her exciting journey while selling the face masks.
Thank you, Arjuna, for such wonderful display of the slides and for passing me the mic. My greetings to all present here. I'm Arshika Khatioda, and further now, let's make our way to observe our business activity of Mark Starks through my experience. As part of the Mark Starks activity, we not only prepared face masks, we also managed to sell it to our visitors during the result giving day, which was on 10th of April this year. The main objective behind the plan was to collect enough funds to sponsor orphans in addition to involving the students in business activity, while also showing off our efforts of the students. We named our brand Vivikia. It fit our theme. We were selling different types of masks, from simple disposable to highly fashionable ones, all made by students during the school hours, in fairly reasonable price. It was our way of providing support for people's care in this pandemic. We had a total of 7 students working as business representative, business analyst, sales executive, and marketing and finance manager. These were the masks that we had kept for sale. There are varieties ranging from dispensable, reusable, fashionable, adult and child combos, and the kids one. And customers showed great interest in the fashionable one, with the cottons and the jeans material and the designs woven by the students themselves. The visitors found it quite attractive and was thus sold in great deals, whereas the disposable masks had poor sewing skills and thus failed to attract the customers. On the day of our result giving, we had arranged a small stall for selling our homemade masks. The same masks that was made by our fellow classmates were on display for sale. With the roles assigned between us and the prices of the product divided, we had a task to do. The task being to sell all these masks which were on display. The sales executive leading us, we started to attract and convince the visitors to purchase our products. With a little bit of bargaining and a lot of convincing, we finally sold the masks and achieved a total of Rs 6,020 in return. I consider myself very fortunate to be selected as one of these individuals dealing with the mask selling. It was my first time as an entrepreneur, self-dependent business person. Dealing with the customers was what I thought would be difficult. However, as I observed my fellow friends, I was confident. The nervousness from before was not there anymore, all replaced by confidence and pure determination. The profit made was worth our efforts, and the appreciation from the teachers made it even more fruitful. Here are the photos showing our experience throughout the journey, creating face masks in class and arranging the stalls to make it attractive and presentable. Here, the students were pursuing the visitors to purchase our product and are shown choosing the desired ones. This was just one of our experience. In the upcoming year, there'll be more to come. Hence, that's why we had feedback forms to give out to the customers. Our small team was certainly really active that day, with jumping over to explain our project, to actually selling and recording the purchase of our product. All in all, it was a really fun activity to do, and I'm grateful to have gotten to play a part in it. This concludes our experience of Mark Starks activity. So for the now, I'd like our project coordinator, Dipti Adhikari Acharya ma'am, to explain the remaining task. Over to her.